Hello, welcome back to Java Revisited. In this video, I will show you how to check if a string is anagram. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. At first, let's go through the definition of an anagram. So, an anagram of a string is another string that contains the same characters, only the order of characters can be different. For example, listen, silent, raise, care, and park or trap. The algorithm for this problem here is very simple. So now I'm having two work here which are cell and seal. Firstly, I will sort both string, and after sorting both string in an alphabetical order, it will become like this. Then we will compare the sorted string, and after that, if the two strings are the same, we will return true, otherwise we will return false. It's very simple, right? So now let's implement that algorithm. Now we will create a Boolean function to check anagram. We will take two strings as parameters. Firstly, I will remove by in the two strings. This method replace on I have explained in the previous videos. I will put that video on the top of the screen so you can check this method out. Then I will check the length of the two strings, because if two strings are anagrams, the length should be equal to each other. If they are not equal, I will return false. Unfortunately, in Java string class doesn't have any method that directly sort a string. However, in a array class there is. Therefore, I will convert two strings into two arrays, and then I will convert all the letters into lowercase using two lowercase method and two array method. After that, I will sort two arrays in an alphabetical order. And finally, I will compare the two arrays. This method array.equal here will return true if two arrays are the same, otherwise we will return false. Here in the main code, I create scanner object for inputting two strings. Then we call the function we created here, and bring out the result depends on the function return true or false. If the function return true, we will bring out string 1 plus string 2 are anagram. Otherwise, we will bring out string 1 plus string 2 are not anagrams. And now we run the program. So for example, I will enter listen as the first string, and then silent as the second string, and then we will check if they are anagrams or not. Yes, listen and silent anagrams is the correct answer. So we will check the final case which are not anagram. So I will input like something like ABC and then ACD. Yeah, ABC and ACD are not anagrams. So our program are running well. So if you have any question regarding to this program or regarding to any method or theory in Java, just comment below. I will really appreciate your comment, and I will answer all of your comments as soon as possible. In summary, there are three steps to check if the string is anagram or not. So step 1, we will sort both strings. Step 2, we compare the sorted string, and then step 3, if the strings are the same, return false, otherwise we return true. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and comment your opinion about my video below. And in the next video, I will show you guys how to find n Fibonacci number. Goodbye and see you guys in the next videos.